Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to InnoAgora pitching event. We will take a moment to allow more participants to join, and we will be back with you in just a few minutes. So, hello again. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to InnoAgora pitching event. We will take a moment, as I said, to allow for more participants to join because there is a problem with one startup. Just give us 1 minute, otherwise Mr. Stamoulis will present. Just 1 second to make sure that he will join us. So, okay, before we begin, let me give you some quick guidelines. Please keep your microphones muted during pitches. Of course, feel free to introduce yourself in the chat and connect with others. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat box. We will address them during the Q&A after its pitch. The event, as usual, is being recorded and will be available to you within the following days. Now, let's dive right in. Mr. Stamoulis, please, are you ready? Great. We have MobiPlus, a company making waves in the shopping recommendation engineering sector. Presenting on behalf of MobiPlus, Mr. Stamoulis. Mr. Stamoulis, the stage is yours. Mr. Stamoulis, you are muted.
Okay, let me open it and
Yes.
let me share. Share screen. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the invitation. My name is Yannis Stamoulis, and I'm the CEO of MobiPlus. And the objective here is to change the way that we shop. And when we go to the stores from now on, it's going to be an intelligent shopping agent. It's going to know a lot about us. It's going to know our preferences, our needs, and it will be able to provide with product recommendations and make our life more interesting. The problem that we're trying to solve, as you have seen in the stores, is that when you go to the store, it's difficult to find a sales rep. Difficult to find a sales rep that knows the product very well, and also to provide consulting and the appropriate product for us. On the other hand, retailers facing a big problem to find salespeople. Salespeople usually they're underpaid and they have a high turnover. And also they don't know the product very well. They don't spend enough time to read the products, to know their specifications, and sometimes they don't feel happy in the stores, and that shows to the customers. They don't do upselling, they don't do cross-selling. This is the problem that we are solving with AI sales agents. The AI sales agent is a big screen. It uses state-of-the-art AI technologies and connects to the ERP of the retailer, learn the products very well, and be able to do product recommendations and host our needs, and also collect about 30,000 consumer contact information in the store. A significant offer here is that the consumers can speak to the AI shopping agents. They can interact with speech. They can get product recommendations, and they can do virtual try-ons and also image search. They can say, this is the sofa I saw in a digital magazine. Can you show me something relevant or equivalent to this? Our unique selling point is that we have shopping mind, as we call it. It's a large neural net that gathers shopping data from different retailers, and it can predict with a great accuracy what our needs, what the products we like, what is the colors, the prices, etc. This is a large shopping model, as we call it, a large neural net. We have 30 customers by now. As you see here, it's a huge market. It's a $2 billion business, and we are selling the AI sales agent with an annual subscription, 3.6 thousand euro per year per AI sales agent. The go-to-market strategy is direct sales and also inbound marketing with email marketing and blog posts. But direct sales is the approach here. We differ from the competition because we have the large shopping model that knows your preferences, consumer preferences from different retailers. This is our unique point here. A team with about 40 years experience in selling and developing high technology products. And what we need is we are looking for 1 million euros to develop the product further and expand to Europe. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Stamoulis. If there are any questions, please write them in the chat box. I have a question. How do you define who your best customer is? Who is your best customer?
Right. Our best customer is a retailer with more than 10 physical stores, also with a very good ERP to be able to connect on, also with an e-shop as well, and the CEO of the company that understands the new era of shopping, that we're going to a digital era in stores. Usually companies, they do more than 10, 15 million in revenues with the technology that I described.
Great. And one last question. What percentage of the market share do you expect to get?
About 5%. 5%. If we make 5%, there are about 22 million stores in the world now, and we're just looking for 5%. If we charge about 4,000 euros, it's a $2 billion market to start with. Big market.
Great. Thank you.
You're going to see AI agents in the stores in the coming years.
Yes. So thank you very much, Mr. Stamoulis, for your detailed explanation. Let's move on to the next presenter. Superbo, a company revolutionized the AI industry with cutting-edge solutions. Presenting on behalf of Superbo, Mr. Papazis. Mr. Papazis, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much for having us. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
All right. So imagine a world where AI does not just assist, but it can also think, it can decide and act like a true physical employee, having the ability to successfully mimic a physical employee. So businesses that embrace AI agents will replace those that don't. At Superbo, we are leading this 2020. We are the first company to deploy large scale agentic AI today impacting more than 5 million users worldwide. What we generally offer is that we equip organizations to scale their operations and enhance efficiency with innovative, ready-to-work AI. Unlike traditional bots and Gen AI assistants, Superb's AI agents don't just respond, but they can actually, actually observe, they can reason, they can act, and also they can plan, making real-time decisions to drive business outcomes. So from AI agents all the way that automate customer support or sales or human resources, all the way to search AI and complex business workflows, everything is powered by our proprietary Superbo fabric. So at the core of this is actually our goal to build Opero, which is going to be our agentic AI SDK, commoditizing the use of Gen AI fabric, enabling businesses to integrate autonomous AI agents seamlessly into their operations. And taking this further, we're going to move on with the build of Opero Marketplace that will allow businesses to hire AI-powered employees with plug-and-play capabilities, reducing operational costs while improving efficiency. Now, why now? It's one of the most important questions, and it's the AI landscape is shifting very, very fast in an exponential rate. So Google searches for AI agents grew 6 times during 2024. So tech giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Salesforce are moving in this direction, but they also lack interoperability and enterprise customization. Superboy is already ahead of this curve. Our AI agents are cloud and LLM independent, so basically we can deploy in any kind of cloud. Also, we can deploy on premise, and we also use all kinds of LLMs at all times. So seamlessly and integrating into any business system without vendor locking. Now, in terms of market opportunity, this is probably we are the dawn of agentic AI era. The AI agent market will soon be as transformative as the internet in the 90s. So companies that don't really adopt will be really left behind. Superb, we feel that we are very well positioned, not just to compete, but actually to lead that. We are seeking of 3 million euros in funding to scale our product Opero and Opero Marketplace to expand globally, along with sales and marketing teams. Our projected EBITDA growth is around 800% for the next couple of years. That really highlights the potential ahead. As a closing statement, I'd like to say that AI agents are not just the future that's about to come at some point, but it is actually what we live right now. This is the revolution. And with Superbo, businesses don't just automate, they manage to transform. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you, Mr. Papazisis, for the excellent presentation. If there is any question, please feel free to do so. I would like to ask you, what are the 2 or 3 key features that you would like to add to your product? Are there
The,
any?
the most important are, since we do have our agentic AI, we would like to add the SDK of our agentic AI that will uh, help scale our business, because we will be empowering and enabling our clients, the existing ones, but also the potential ones, to start building their own AI agents in our framework. So this is a key thing, and it is one of our product milestones for this year.
Great. And one last question: compared to your competitors, how do you compete with respect to price, features, or performance?
Well, it's a very broad question. So we first need to define who our competitors are. We do believe our competitors today, they are in the West Coast, or let's just say in the other part of the Atlantic. So in the US, we do have competitors like Sierra or Decagon or Maven AI that just do AI agents, but even also infrastructure competitors like Salesforce, Agentforce, OpenAI, and Microsoft. The one of the main characteristics is that we have our own agentic framework. So we don't have to sit to use any other framework. B, our AI agents are tailor-made. So we allow our clients to build an AI agent or an AI employee with several building blocks, which is is a building block? It's the skill. So they can choose the skill and have an AI agent ready, tailor-made for them. Well, on the contrary, on the other side of of the table, um, companies like OpenAI, for example, they do have Swarm, right, which is in production already since today. But their core and their main target is to promote their core offering, which is the LLM, right? So promote their LLM. Just the same thing goes with Salesforce. They did Agentforce, and while you can do with Agentforce, you can take off the shelf a couple of AI agents that will promote their CRM, which is their core offering. So the difference here is that we don't need to use one LLM. We are LLM independent, so we use all kinds of LLM depending on the requirements. So we use a different LLM for reasoning, a different LLM for analytics, and so on. We're not locked in any cloud. We have our own agentic framework, and also we can also have a fantastic, phenomenal interoperability, which means that we can also build our own agents on their platform, and they can build their own agents on our platform. So our competitors can also be our fantastic partners and vice versa.
Great, great. Thank you very much, Mr. Papazis.
Thank you.
Let's now move on with our next startup. We have Infosphere Technology, innovating in the digital medical technology market. Presenting on behalf of the company is Mr. Skouras. Mr. Skouras, please take it away. Mr. Skouras, can you hear us? Mr. Skouras.
Καλησπέρα. Συγγνώμη
Great.
για την... Είχα
That's
κάποιο
okay.
πρόβλημα στον ήχο, δεν ξέρω τι
That's
κάνετε.
okay. That's okay.
Είμαι πολύ χαρούμενος που είμαι μαζί σας σήμερα. Και όπως με προλόγησε η αγαπητή κυρία Γαλαγιάννη, εμείς σαν σκέψη έχουμε κάτι που απασχολεί αυτή τη
Mr.
στιγμή.
Skouras, you have to translate it. You have to speak in English.
Oh, okay, no problem. So, the main problem into the real world today it's the adherence. It's about for 50% of the world now is suffering from lack of adherence in the medical world. So, we have a system that integrates the QR code into into the medicine packaging, and from the QR code, the patient can open a form, and the doctor to see him instantly.
Would you like to share your presentation with us? Because we cannot see it right now.
Yes, give me a second, please. So, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So the Smart Pill Connect, it's a cutting-edge AI-powered medication adherence system that is transforming the patient care by seamlessly integrating a prescription platform and leveraging advanced digital twin technology. So the global issue that I mentioned before, it's 50% of chronic patients fail to adhere to the prescriptions. So by that, the economic burden exceeds to more than 500 billion globally. So the healthcare providers lack from real-time patient adherence tracking. And because of that, we designed the Smart Pill Connect. As I mentioned, the Smart Pill Connect, it's a QR code that patient can scan it, and then the physician can see the patient that gets the medicine, and the physician, from his perspective, can make the alerts and the notifications to the patient. For the moment, there is nothing similar in the market in global scope. There are some patents that they use IoT devices in the packaging, but are too expensive. Our solution is just a QR code printed in the package. Here is how the Smart Pill Connect works. Patients scan the medication. The patient fill the platform. Then the AI engine retrieves that medication and make the plan. After that, the physician get real-time alerts if the patient gets his medicine. All those data that are gathered, they can create the digital twin of the patient, basically. So our business model, it's mostly the exclusivity in the pharmaceutical companies. For example, a major pharmaceutical company can get the solution and the license for the solution, and can use it exclusive in the medications. Also, we can integrate the system with healthcare systems in hospitals. And of course, the data that we can gather from all the solutions, it's very, very valuable to the pharma for the R&D. By that time, as we talk now, we have some talks with Nova ICT, and our plan is to expand across Europe, and of course in the rest of the world. Here is a concept of how the system works and the flow of the system. It is totally complied with all the regulations and in the European Union and in the United States. And the funding that the project needs, it's less than $1 million. And with a revenue projection to be as high as you can see from year one, we suppose about 2 million, and in the global expansion, 100 million for a pharma licensing. It's a great opportunity because of lack of and the importance of the solution. The importance of the solution is for global scope. Okay, and the presentation, it's like to join us if you need to send you more data and informations. Thank you for your time.
Great. Thank you very much, Mr. Skouras. Can you please give us a summary of what you said And what is your competitive advantage? And I also have one more question. Do you have a patent?
Yes, it's for Greece. For the
Only in
moment, it's in
Greece.
Greece. Yes,
Okay.
InnoAgora.
Okay.
In global scope, there are two similar systems, but they need hardware to adapt it in the package. You need for get that other solution, so you need the hardware, and that's very expensive as a solution. We don't need something like that. Only the QR code,
Okay.
and
So
that is a matter.
will you give us a summary exactly of what you're doing?
My business right now, it's in diabetes, in technology of diabetes, and mostly in insulin pumps and CGMs.
Great. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So now let's move on to our new startup, a Good Ferry, operating in the